Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Today we learn how to get Snapchat dark mode 2023. So guys, this is very simple process. First we tap on Snapchat and go to the profile and click the settings sign and scroll down and click the app appearance and you tap on is always dark and select, and you can get easily dark mode. You can see dark mode is on, light, always light and always dark, and you can see Snapchat full on dark mode. This is very easy process guys. So guys, I hope you like the video, and please guys subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below. Bye bye, take care.